You're using your car every single day, but chances are you still don't know the hidden features built into it that could save you money, prevent breakdowns, and make driving way easier. Some of these secrets are so overlooked that even longtime owners never discover them. And trust me, secret number 1 is something most drivers are using completely wrong. Let's get into it. Starting with secret number 15, the ignition reset. Most people panic the second a warning light appears, but sometimes your car isn't broken at all. The computer system just gets confused. Modern vehicles constantly monitor sensors, voltage, ignition timing, and startup cycles, and a small glitch can trigger weird behavior instantly. Here's the hidden reset trick. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. Wait 10 seconds, turn it off, repeat this 3 times, then start the car normally. That simple process forces the ECU to run a fresh system check and clear temporary soft errors. And here's the crazy part. Some dealerships literally charge diagnostic fees to perform this same reset procedure with scan tools. Meanwhile, you can do it yourself in under a minute. You won't believe this next feature. Secret number 14, blue circle arrow on your key fob. Most people think that button-only remote starts the engine. Wrong. In many cars, it also activates climate memory settings, heated seats, mirror defrosters, and cabin warming systems automatically. So before you even touch the door handle, your engine oil is already warming up, the cabin temperature is adjusting, and frost may already be melting off the windshield. And here's what most owners never realize. On many vehicles, pressing the remote start button again while the engine is already running extends the runtime without shutting the car off. That means longer warm-ups during freezing mornings without leaving your house. Think about that, your car has a built-in winter survival feature most people barely use. Trust me, you don't know this next feature. Secret number 13, coat hook location secrets. You've grabbed that handle above your door hundreds of times, but hidden beside it is a small fold-out hook most people never notice. And it's way more useful than it looks. Manufacturers designed that hook specifically to stop bags, backpacks, and groceries from flying across the back seat during turns and sudden braking. But here's what's interesting. Those hooks are actually reinforced stronger than most people think. Engineers position them carefully so hanging items don't interfere with airbags or passenger visibility. It's one of those tiny features that sounds unimportant until you start using it every day. Wait until you hear about this next hidden gem. Secret number 12, window reboot trick. If your power window suddenly stops halfway, moves slowly, or loses the auto-up feature, most people assume the motor is failing. But the system often just lost calibration. Here's the reset. Roll the window fully down and hold the button for 3 seconds, then roll it fully up and hold again for 3 seconds. That retrains the window control module and restores the position memory. And this matters because the auto-reverse safety system depends on accurate calibration too, so this isn't just about convenience, it's also restoring a critical safety feature designed to prevent injuries. Prepare to be amazed by this next feature. Secret number 11, the fuel emergency release. Imagine pulling into a gas station with almost no fuel left, then your fuel door refuses to open. Most drivers think they're stuck. But many vehicles have a hidden manual release cable inside the trunk near the fuel door side panel. Pull it once and the fuel door opens instantly, even if the battery is dead. And here, why this exists? Most modern fuel doors are electronically locked, so if the actuator fails or the battery dies, the door can stay locked shut. Some people literally pay towing fees over a problem that takes 5 seconds to fix. This next secret is absolutely incredible. Secret number 10, rear seat hidden features. Most passengers think rear seats only fold forward, but in many vehicles they also recline backward. Look near the side of the seat cushion or upper seat back for a hidden pull tab or release lever. That slight recline angle makes a massive difference during long trips. Less back strain, less neck tension, more comfort overall. And the funny part, many owners drive the same car for years before realizing the feature existed the whole time. This next one would definitely shock you. Secret number 9, unknown storages in cabin. Your car probably has hidden storage compartments you've never opened. Under the trunk floor, beside the spare tire, beneath rear seats, and behind removable side panels are factory-designed storage spaces meant for tools, emergency gear, valuables, and charging cables. And here, why that matters: thieves usually target obvious storage first: center consoles, cup holders, door pockets. Hidden factory compartments are far less likely to attract attention because most people don't even know they exist. Your car basically came with a built-in hidden safe. Secret number 8: hidden rear AC vents. Rear passengers constantly complain about temperature because most drivers never adjust the hidden rear vents. Check behind the center console or near the floor area. Many vehicles have dedicated rear climate vents that are often closed accidentally. Some cars even route air through the roof pillars for rear passengers. One quick adjustment can completely change cabin comfort during road trips without touching the front climate controls at all. And if rear passengers are always uncomfortable while you feel perfectly fine up front, there's a good chance those vents are blocked or shut. If you made it this far, comment which secret surprised you the most, because we're getting into the really crazy ones now. Secret number 7: hidden port secret. Every car built after 1996 has an OBD2 diagnostic port hidden underneath the dashboard. And with a cheap Bluetooth scanner, you can read engine codes, sensor data, battery voltage, transmission temperatures, and check engine light information directly from your phone. Mechanics charge serious money just to scan these codes. Meanwhile, a small scanner gives you instant access in seconds. Now, obviously, this doesn't replace a professional mechanic, but it stops you from walking into a repair shop completely blind. And that alone can save you hundreds of dollars. Prepare to be amazed by this next feature. Secret number 6: the key fob battery warning. Most people don't realize their key fob battery is dying until it completely stops working. But your car usually warns you weeks beforehand. Push-button start systems constantly monitor signal strength. When the battery weakens, a low key fob warning briefly appears on the dashboard. The problem is most people miss it because it only flashes for a few seconds during startup. And replacing the battery usually costs less than $5. Ignoring the warning until the fob dies completely can leave you stranded at the worst possible moment. This next secret is absolutely useful. Secret number 5: rear window button secret. That rear defroster button does way more than clear frost. Those heating lines embedded in the rear glass warm the entire window surface, and that heat helps loosen stubborn grime, hard water spots, and residue stuck to the glass. But here, another hidden advantage. Running the rear defroster during humid weather helps reduce moisture buildup throughout the cabin, keeping all your windows clearer overall. Most drivers only use this feature during winter, which means they ignore one of the most useful visibility tools in the car for the rest of the year. Get ready for something truly amazing. Secret number 4: hidden Bluetooth features. Your Bluetooth system can do way more than music and phone calls. Deep in the settings menu, many vehicles support voice-to-text replies, message reading, calendar syncing, navigation integration, and even dual phone connections at the same time. Some systems can even read upcoming appointments aloud and automatically prepare navigation before you start driving. Your car is basically acting like a personal assistant, and most owners never even explore the settings long enough to discover it. Secret number 3: the fog light button secret. Fog lights are one of the most misunderstood features on modern vehicles. Regular headlights reflect back at you during dense fog and heavy rain, making visibility worse. Fog lights sit low and project light underneath the fog layer instead. But here's the important part: using fog lights constantly in clear weather can actually reduce visibility because of extra light scatter. And many vehicles also have rear fog lights designed to make your car dramatically more visible from behind during severe weather. That extra visibility distance could literally prevent a collision. Secret number 2: the tire tread wear indicator. Your tires have built-in warning indicators most drivers completely ignore. Inside the tread grooves are small raised bars. When the tire tread wears down level with those bars, the tire has reached its minimum safe depth. And here's the scary part, tires can still look fine from a distance while being dangerously worn where it actually matters. Checking those indicators takes seconds and could save you from losing control during heavy rain at highway speeds. And finally, the number one secret that you've been waiting for. Secret number one, rain sensing wiper secret. Rain sensing wipers are way smarter than most people realize. Behind your rearview mirror is an infrared sensor constantly scanning the windshield. The moment rain changes how light reflects off the glass, the system activates automatically. But here, the hidden feature most owners never discover, the sensitivity is adjustable. Turn the sensitivity higher and the wipers react instantly to light mist. Lower it and they wait for heavier rainfall. And on many vehicles, the rain sensor also communicates with headlights, rear wipers, and even sunroof systems automatically. Your car is literally reacting to weather changes in real time. But here's the craziest part. If your rain-sensing wipers suddenly act weird, the sensor usually isn't broken. A dirty windshield or worn blades often interfere with the infrared signal and confuse the system completely. Clean glass and fresh blades usually fix the problem instantly. If you made it all the way here, you officially know more hidden car secrets than most drivers on the road. Hit like, subscribe, and check out the next video because the next mistake most drivers make is secretly destroying their engine every single day without realizing it.